Today we're gonna talk about study plans. The two most important part of any mastery application is personal statement, your motivation letter, and study plan. Personal statement answers the questions who you are, but the study plan concentrates on what you want to do. And based on my experience, writing study plan is much easier than personal statement. And let me tell you why. In personal statement, there is no one structure that you could take and follow. I can think of that. Someone starts with their own story, someone starts with their own childhood moment. I know someone has some moment in their life when this interest sparked in their heart and they write all around it, and what has happened in their life, why they chose this direction, okay, and then what they want to do next. But when it comes to study plan, I can tell you that each should have three parts. The one, shortly about you, who you are. Second, what's your profession, what you want to study. Three, what you are going to study in this program. And then when you come back, what's your plan? This is all. If you like me to read several study plans, I'm going to tell you exactly which person knows what she or he wants to do and what she's going to study and whether she really cares about what she studies. I can see that from reading a study plan. So let's take an example that I have 5 data scientists and I'm going to choose only one. One mentions that this is her top ranked university. This university has the best curriculum and these courses, and I mean, cool. The next data scientist mentions that this deep learning and NLP and how useful they are, and that she has this opportunity to learn those things. And I'm gonna say that's cool, but then what? In order to create a really clear study plan, we should spend a lot of time researching universities, comparing their curriculums, comparing their outcomes, what else the university offers you, what else you can do there. Imagine if you had only 2 years of your whole life and you had to choose where to spend those 2 years. Would you spend 30 minutes, or would you spend hours and hours and days to figure out which one really deserves you? So this is the mental switch which you should do before you write your study plan. And the best way to structure your study plan and how you should do that, or how you should do the research, I cover it in my Fulbright reading framework, where I go through the personal statement, study plan, and interview questions. You can find that link in the comments below, where I will pin it, and also in the description. Every committee member will know whether you really know what you want to do and where you want to study and what you want to study there. And if they can't answer that question, then that's a red flag. That's a red flag, because if you can't explain yourself why you want to go there, what will you study there, then how can you persuade someone else that you really deserve to go there? I mean, you really deserve this scholarship. There is no way that you can persuade someone if you don't truly believe in it yourself. So, my favorite sentence is this one. Your personal statement defines who you are and what you have done in this life, but your study plan is the one that shows whether you really know what you want to do next. And believe me, the study plan is the one that will save you. Good study plan will save you during the interview process as well. So take a lot of time to really figure out what you want to do, what you want to study, why that university and what else in that university. What's something else apart from the subjects and courses that you're gonna study there. And we'll see you in the next episode.